डॉक्टर सैल्यूट है आपको, डॉक्टर सैल्यूट है आपको। Happy Doctors Day, 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 Happy Doctors Day. Doctors,
आप हमारी शान हो,
Doctors,
आप ही भगवान हो।
Happy Doctors Day, 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 Happy Doctors Day.
I am Dr. Siddheshwar Taware. Today I am glad to talk to you. I would like to praise you for being at home and attending online lectures and so helping the society. At the same time, you should take care of yourself and keeping a good immunity and keep a good immunity. Then how will you improve your immunity? It is there in what you eat. So you should take vitamin C for that. You can remember C for cabbage, C for capsicum, C for citrus fruits and colorful fruits. कल ये आप लोगों ने सीखा है ना, अ से अमरूद, अ से अनार, वो भी तो खाना चाहिए. Then in citrus fruits, lemons, oranges, strawberries, etc. you can have. Cabbage, red capsicum and all green leafy vegetables you can eat. Try not to eat or not to have fruit juice or milkshakes. Instead of that, you can have whole fruit which is high in fibers. Thereby it will help you in digestion also. You can have papaya, kiwi, dragon fruit to improve your immunity because all these fruits are having high antioxidants. Those who can eat non-veg, they can have boiled eggs, chicken, etc. And very important is to eat whole meals which your mother is cooking at home, and say a big no to all junk foods. Try to remember this. On this note, I would like to thank to Omkar teachers for giving me this opportunity to talk to these lovely kids. Thank you all. Have a great day ahead.
Hi all, good morning. Today is very special day. Yes, it is a Doctor's Day. Doctors are God, all of us. They help us feel good mentally and physically. They heal all our wounds and make us fit and fine and stay healthy. Let us all thank these wonderful group of people called doctor and celebrate all of it this day, paying tribute and survivors of our life. Working 24/7 and 365 days of the year without rest. All the doctors wish you a very happy Doctor's Day. Thank you.
Hello friends, how are you all? I am Dr. Sachin Saraf. Don't be afraid, I am not here to give you injections or examine you. I am just here to tell you a story of a monster named Corona. Corona is a very small virus. Corona is a very small virus which is not visible. You can't see coronavirus through your eyes. It enters our body. It enters our body through eyes, nose and mouth. So once it enters your body, it causes fever, running nose, sore throat, and headache. Fever. So it is very simple to or easy to prevent corona. Just avoid or prevent corona virus to enter your body through your eyes, nose and mouth. So for that, what you can do, just cover nose and mouth with a mask. Wear mask. Don't go outside your house. Stay home. House is the safest place for you. Corona is not going to enter your house unless and until you go out and bring him home. Right? So, and even if you have to go out, wear mask, cover your eyes with glasses, wear mask properly, cover nose and mouth properly. Don't remove your mask while you are out. Don't touch anywhere. Don't touch anywhere. Don't touch any surface. Just keep your hands clean and don't touch your eyes, nose, mouth with your hand unless and until you wash it. Wash your hand thoroughly with soap, water, and very important thing is you should increase your strength to fight against corona by eating, by having homemade food, very healthy food which your mother prepares for you. Take plenty of sleep, take plenty of water and play as much as you want. So, is it not simple to fight against corona? Yes. Just keep on fighting with corona and slowly this corona will go away. We will get rid of this corona very soon if we follow all these things, all these measures. Then you will all be free to go anywhere you want with your parents, to enjoy with your parents. You can visit parks, you can play there, you can go to schools, you can meet your friends, you can meet your teachers, right? So, take care, stay home, stay safe, bye.
दिन रात दौड़ती इस दुनिया में, क्या तुम्हें अपनी परवाह भी है? औरों की खुशी में खुश हो तुम, क्या इससे ज्यादा कुछ चाह भी है? नम आँखों की मुस्कान हो, तब त्याग की पहचान हो।